Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Rhino 3D and another tutorial from Rhino Commands for Beginners. Fillet Curve, Radius 3, Chamfer Curve, Distance 3 and 3, Connect Curve, Fillet Corners, Radius 3, Arc Blend, Symmetry, Continuity Smooth, Adjustable Curve Blend, Extend Curve, Extend Curve to Boundary, Offset Curve on Surface, Distance 2, Distance 2, Number of Offsets 3. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Have any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next tutorial.